Alright everybody, welcome. I've been having a couple of concerns from teachers that have noticed that their grade book grade was looking different from what the students were seeing when they went to the parent portal or the student portal. And this all came from a glitch at the beginning of the year when we were doing our grade setup. So I'm going to show you how to fix your grade setup right now. If you will do this, you will have no problems. I know there's a progress report coming out soon, so I want to make sure everybody's on the same page. So when you open your grade book, it should look something like this. Just click on grade setup. When you're in the grade setup, the glitch happened under the F1 reporting term. So double click F1. When you're looking at it, you may actually have total points checked right now. If that's the case, you need to click on term weights. From the term weights menu now, we can actually assign the quarter 1, quarter 2, and the exam weights. Here, county policy is 40 for the first quarter, 40 for the second quarter, and 20 for the exam. You will input these under weight, and once you do that, just click save. You'll notice the percents change to match the weight. Uh, if that happens for you, that's great. If for some reason when you're under term weights, your E1 here is grayed out, some people have reported that this was grayed, or it was in italics or something like that. If that's the case, click on total points first, and then click back on term weights, and it should turn black, and you should be able to put the weights in again. Notice each time you click off of term weights, it actually erases what you put in before, but as long as you don't click off of it, once you have the weights in, just click save and you should be good to go. Now, you'll need to repeat this process for each block. So notice I've done this here for my second block class. I would need to do this for my third and my fourth. Just repeat the process and you'll be good to go. If you want a shortcut, I'll show you a shortcut. If you right click on the class you've already set up, if you right click on F1, you can actually copy the grade setup for your whole class. Now this is only to be done if all three of your preps use the same weighting system. If not, just set each one up individually, but in my case I have 3 physical science classes, so I'm going to do this. And then I'm just going to click third and fourth block respectively, and then click next. It asks me if I want to do that for sure. I say yes, so I say finish. And now all of my classes are set up the same way, so they should all have quarter 1 weighted for 40%, quarter 2 for 40%, and the exam for 20%. Now I'm going to go and check just to make sure. I always like to do that just to be thorough. And you can see here obviously the weights look good. Again, in fourth block, same story. Now as far as your quarters, that's your own PLC. That's for your PLC to decide what the weights are. Here in science, these are ours. Your exam total points is fine because you're only ever going to have one grade in there, so you don't even need to change the exam. I hope this helps. That should take care of any problems as far as a discrepancy between what the students see on their end and what you see in your grade book. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And yeah, happy progress report.